What's going on with y'all, man? I'm back with another video. Today's video is about YouTube equipment. Now, there's a lot of different specifications for YouTube equipment, but in this video, this is about items that are attainable and don't cost you a fortune. In this video, you might see me holding this lavalier mic. I got this from the TikTok shop. This wireless lavalier microphone. Now, you could purchase one, go to the TikTok shop, or you could go on Temu, Amazon, anywhere you can think of, and buy a microphone like this. You could buy a 2-pack, you know what I'm saying? But in in this world, audio quality is important, and you want to have a crisp sounding video instead of a choppy video and high quality video. Now, on the topic of video, you don't have to buy a camera. You don't have to do anything. You could get started right now on your phone. All you need is either a good light or a ring light, which I'm using right now, and your phone. If your phone got a camera, you could start right now and just buy a microphone that fits your phone. If you have an Android, these microphones come in different variations. You can buy them for Android, iPhone, a camera, anything you could think of. So it's not that hard to get started. All you need is a light, your phone, audio. The extra stuff comes later. And the good part about it is it's free, partly free. If you got a phone, you could start now. You could fix everything up in post, edit it, do everything the right way. You feel me? So if you aspiring to be a content creator, make sure you stop by Amazon, Temu, TikTok shop, wherever you feel comfortable spending your money. Pick you up a wireless lavalier mic, plug it into your phone, and get started. You can get started right now in 2024 with no hassle. The great part about it is you're aspiring to have financial success. You're setting yourself up for greatness. So why would you not do it? Everything is attainable through what you have to do. It might seem hard at first, but it's always easy in the end. Once you learn the way to compose your video, you learn to edit, you learn to make a thumbnail, you learn how to do a captivating title, it all becomes easy. And I want to help you out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to list down in the description a couple of places to get microphones, lights, anything like that. So make sure you go down in the description and check that out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow my social media. And I'm gone.